Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find Minecraft Bedrock screenshots. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for example, I'm going to press escape and take a screenshot right here. And then once that's done, just go ahead over to the top right, click on social. And here you're going to find, or you're going to see your profile name or the operator. Just click on it. Just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll be able to see screenshot gallery. So just click on it, and here we have it. You can click on it to open it up. Go to full screen right here. Go back, manage it, delete or set world thumbnail, or click on share right here. Share to external or post to run stories. Share to external right here. You can send that to your phone, email, Outlook, WhatsApp, or whatever. You have Discord here as well. Or open it via snipping tool. It's up to you, okay? Right click, save as, and save it on your desktop if you want to. Or you could go ahead over to this specific URL, okay? Go ahead and pause the video and you'll be able to see it. Just go to that specific directory. Or just go ahead and save it to your desktop. So it would be easier, okay? Here you have it. That is how you find your Minecraft Bedrock screenshots. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.